I'm Andy Tarbor. I live here in Salisbury, moved here from Colorado about 4 years ago. This is actually my wife's car. It's a 34 Ford three-window coupe. It's got a L79 327 with a YN 142 blower in it. Pretty lightweight. It likes to run, but it's my wife's car. I'm the chauffeur, and she's yet to drive it, which is probably a good thing. She's got a lead foot, but it's your typical hidden suicide door. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, it's leather interior, somewhat comfy for a intense little car. We've had it for about 2 years now. Bought it pretty much as you see it. I like it open engine because it's a great engine. My wife would prefer a hood, so we're probably going to hood it. I like it because it's not too loud, inside or outside, but it's got plenty of power, fun to drive. I like the styling of it in terms of transition from to the cowl, and it's definitely gets a few looks now and then. Well, we've only been here once. This is number two. What I like is it's close, and I like to see all the people that have come out. Last time it was about a fourth of this, and so it's really great. There are a lot of really neat cars and really nice people that we've met here. But it's nice to get to know people, and cars are a great way to get to know people.